ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or makakonti lamang, take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po mapanood, no, itong reading na ito, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Three of Swords, followed by the Nine of Pentacles. So parang kahit Three of Swords, okay na siya eh. Pero kasi, the Three of Swords signifies kasi di ba yung pain, heartaches, yung unsatisfactory. And that explains the Nine of Pentacles. Ito kasi yung supposedly dapat na-achieve mo, na-experience mo. However, we started real sad, if I may say. Parang ang down ng ating pinagdadaanan ngayon, no? Imagine mo, bumungad sa akin yung I am in pain. I have heartaches. Why? Kasi hindi ko nakukuha yung satisfaction na gusto ko. Kasi hindi ko nafe-feel, no, kay person na my person is happy sa connection. I feel otherwise. I feel that my person is rubbing it into my face that they're not happy anymore. And that also makes me feel bad and sad because what I'm doing is I'm doing my best, but it seems like it's not enough, no? With the Ace of Swords, your heart still desire for this, for the relationship, no, to parang thrive. Kahit na ganito yung nagiging situation ninyo, it kind of make me feel that you are somewhat fighting, no? Is this connection worth fighting for with the Two of Cups? Well, mahal mo kasi. And I cannot blame you for that. Lahat naman tao nagmamahal. It just so happened that ito siguro yung taong sinabi mong this person's gonna be the person now for me. The person whom I am going to build, no, my life with. So the Two of Cups, medyo nandito na tayo sa sinasabi nating I am seeing my future, or I have seen my future with this person. I am very certain that this person is going to be the person for me, the person whom I want to spend the rest of my life with. The Justice. So, nandito na tayo. Even, ang align dito yung align yung isip at yung puso mo. Parang sinasabi mo dito na willing ako na ibigay lahat dito sa person ko. Willing akong ipaglaban. I don't know kung ano yung pinaglalaban mo dito, you're right, or I think that this is also na ibalik, no, yung desire. Ikaw na lang ba? That's actually my question. Ikaw na lang ba ang lumalaban dito sa relationship ninyo? This is because the energy feels like you're not on the same page anymore. You're not on the same boat anymore. If I may say, you're not even living on the same address anymore. Rather. With the Three of Pentacles. So, nag-iisip ka kung paano ito gagawin. Paano ko i-execute na ipaalam kay person na kailangan niya mahalin ako, kailangan niya maging magpakatao, no, dito sa relasyon. Kailangan niyang magpaka-partner. Kasi hindi lang naman ako yung pumasok dito. Pwedeng oo, ako yung unang nagkagusto, pero hindi ko naman siya pinilit. So, meron din siyang will, di ba? And the mere fact that this person na nag-agree, so parang sinasabi mo dito, I still have the right to fight for what's supposedly mine. Pero how am I going to execute that if my person feels like, ano na to parang nag-surrender? Mabuti sana yung surrender niya is letting me drive the connection. But the surrender here is parang drifting away, no? Nag-surrender na siya, parang the person didn't even wanting to continue the relationship. Tinamad, if I may say. The Fool card. I don't know what you're gonna do with I think that you're going to do something very risky. And this could be doon sa mga walang anak ha. What if kaya magpabuntis ako, or what if kaya anakan ko kung lalaki kang nanonood, no? Para wala na siyang kawala. Or kung meron naman na kayong anak, what is a risky in here is the Judgment, the Five of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Wow. Ito yung sabi kong very risky kasi you might gonna, kahit mahal mo, you might gonna end up walking away, itigil lahat, i-cut off itong dynamic ninyo. So you're backing out siguro for your person to miss you. You're backing out para siguro maintindihan ni person na kung ano yung feeling nang wala ka sa buhay niya. This might be a very risky situation like what I mentioned, pero the Ten of Cups and the Three of Wands. If this is your last resort for you to win this connection because you have done everything and this is the only last thing, I can sense that this might result in a good situation. Kasi parang aantayin din ni person manumbalik or bumalik itong relationship, yung dynamic ninyo. So may longing na mai-inflict ka kay person. Although the very risk here is it might take a little while with the Three of Wands. Pero ang tanong ko nga sa'yo is, kung hindi mo naman to gagawin, you're gonna be in a situation wherein aantayin, palaging ganito yung routine. You might be in a loop with the sadness. So since the sadness is already there, why not take a risk? And sandali lang naman yung gap. I mean, hindi pala sandali. Medyo matagal yung gap. Pero pagbalik, certain na siya. So, makukuha mo rin yung gusto mong emotion. But then again, at the end of the day, this is you. Alright? This is just the 2 cents of the reading. So, and speaking of, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of the person. So this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero tingnan muna natin. Kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga tanong sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun po sa website. So let's check now the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Aries, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra. I'm seeing Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Capricorn, Libra is very dominant too. Apat yung lumabas na card, the Libra. Ano? And I'm seeing Cancer. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You